choice. If you're going to add this translucent light blue dot, you should add it on the front of the bike. For that, you need to add this piece, which indicates that it's the front of the bike. So basically the bike's complete now. That's it. So all you have to do is just angle these pieces and just do it. But there's sometimes you might not know completely exactly how to properly angle it. So you can use these pieces which are from the Mech, and since we did this alternative build, it's not used for the Mech or this, so these are extra. So stick these four together, put it under here, hold this part with your index or thumb, and then sort of just push it down and angle this. Give an exact angling, to make it at the exact angle as of this and this. So that'll help you out. Then we have our Snake, evil supervillain, and here's Miles. Then we have the work pieces. You can put it for Miles or I don't know. And you're supposed to put these pieces all over any way you want it. So that's it basically. Oh, and I have one more thing to tell you. These tires are not supposed to be here. They're supposed to be like this. Okay? On the left side, these two are supposed to be shown. On the right side, these two studded are supposed to be shown. Oh, and another thing I forgot is this. The translucent light blue piece is supposed to be in the middle here. So I didn't show that properly. I needed to correct my mistake. Sorry. That's it for the Mech. For the bike, I got used to saying Mech. Just handle Spider-Man. Who is Miles? I'm really tired of them calling him Spider-Man or Miles. They should really give him his own Spider-Man name. Like how Spider-Man Noir is Spider-Man Noir. Or Venom has his own name. Or Iron Spider has his own name. They should really keep a name for Miles. Why didn't they keep a name for him? The public can't be calling him Miles every time. I mean, no one calls him that, but still. But they can't call him Spider-Man 2 either because he's already there's already a Spider-Man. Okay, in the Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse movie, he died, but still, you get the point. He needs a name. I'm gonna call him Electric Spider-Man because he can create electricity, and it's kind of nice. It's like something you say, Amazing Spider-Man, Electric Spider-Man. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and watch my other alternative builds and mock. I made a speed build of this set. If you want to watch that, it's in my channel. I'll put the link in the description. I made a review for the Mech as well. You can watch that if you want. Here, there's I used the Spider-Man sign as a flag kind of design. I got that from Ninjago Bikes. Mr. Evil Snake. Thanks for watching. Bye.